Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Welcome to another 360 VR video. That means if you're watching it on the phone, you can move the phone around and look in every direction possible to enjoy the view. And if you're watching it on computer, you can use your mouse to move the view around. Now, that area, our base where we actually camped, and we camped last time, the grass was too high and we cut the grass. I drove the truck around and mowed the grass and everywhere. So it's really nice, but it's not campable. Tomorrow inshallah we will camp there. So the thing is, today we are camping here at our friend's house. As you can see, if you move your view to the left, there's a nice big tree. Car is parked there, so two people are gonna sleep in the car. Two persons will sleep in the car. I and Arish most probably will sleep in the tent, and we have put it on top of a roof of one small garage they have down there. So we will have a nice view of sunset, as you can see right over there, and at this side we will have a view of mountains. At the right side, the view of mountain. And hopefully tomorrow inshallah we are going to take off and fly and enjoy some flight. So stay tuned for more videos. For now, I'm just gonna leave the camera running. I'm gonna make coffee for myself so you enjoy the views around. Have fun. Did you bring my glass?
Your glass, let me see. Where did I go? Oh, I forgot to carry.
Inside there, the bag.
Yeah, go get it.
For me in that bag.
Oh, then you go carry.
Good morning. Can move a little right more, and 3 cars can park in it. Hope you're enjoying the view. I am actually enjoying my time here, and it seems like clouds, black clouds are gathering. If you look at your left side, you can see there's a nice black cloud, and right side we also have clouds. So if we have raining at night, that will be nice actually. If we have raining at night, that will be nice. It will cool down a whole lot. And you can see I'm standing on top of a garage roof, and there's no fence, nothing. I can easily fall down just like that. Anyway, I just ruined the video for you. Watch and enjoy. Later, if you want, I can give you a tour of inside there, but you have watched that in my previous video that we actually stayed there, and I told you the guy actually did the woodwork there as well. So our auntie here, which is an old lady, she is preparing a very nice meal for us today, inshallah, for dinner, and we're gonna enjoy it. Right now my coffee is getting ready. Tomorrow inshallah we will be camping right there, and we will show you how things are over there. So I'm gonna keep quiet and let you enjoy the view. Thank you, sir. Now I can make coffee. Do we have a spoon? Yes, mommy brought the spoon. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording and shoot another clip so you can see and enjoy complete quiet, if there is any quiet. Have fun, people.